Tired of your Yahoo Mail looking like everyone else's? In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to pick a theme that makes your inbox feel yours. That bland white and blue default look? Yeah, we're fixing that right now. By the time we're done, you'll have an inbox that actually feels like it belongs to you. First, we'll sign in and find the settings. Then, I'll walk you through browsing and applying a new theme. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and open up your browser. Head over to mail.yahoo.com and log in with your email and password. This is the starting point for everything we're about to do. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? That's the settings button. Click on it. A small menu will pop down with a few options. Now here's the thing. You might see a basic settings panel right away, but we need the full menu. So click on More Settings at the bottom of that list. This opens up the complete settings panel on the left side of your screen. Now on that left-hand settings panel, you'll see several different sections. Look for the one labeled Themes and click on it. This is where the magic happens. This is your personal theme gallery. All right, now the fun part. You'll see a grid of different themes and background options. Some have solid colors, some have gradients, and others have beautiful images or patterns. Take your time browsing through them. Honestly, I've spent way too long just flipping through these myself. There is a good variety here, from nature scenes to abstract art to simple color washes. When you see one that catches your eye, just click on it. This will give you a live preview of what that theme looks like in your actual inbox. And here's the really important part. The preview shows you how the theme affects both the background and the text. Some darker themes might change your text colors too, so pay attention to that. Make sure you can still read your emails clearly. Found one you like? Great. Just click the Apply button, or in some cases, the theme applies as soon as you click on it in the preview. Either way, the new theme gets saved automatically. You don't need to hunt for a save button or confirm anything. It just sets it and you're good to go. Now close the settings panel by clicking that little X in the corner or just clicking anywhere outside of it. And there it is. Your inbox is now showing off your brand new theme. Take a moment to appreciate it. Scroll through your messages. See how the colors flow. It really does make a difference in how the whole experience feels. And here's the best part. You can do this anytime you want to refresh. Maybe you get bored of a theme after a few months, or maybe you want something seasonal. Just follow the exact same steps. Settings icon, more settings, themes, pick a new one. It literally takes less than a minute. So go ahead and make your Yahoo Mail feel like your space. You spend enough time in your inbox anyway, right? Might as well make it look good. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.